y'all, this is Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some stickers that I got made from a painting that I did several years ago. If you're new to my channel, my name is Valerie. This is my channel, Creations by Valerie. I'm actually an artist. I'm not full-time. I do art on the side, do craft fairs, sell things on my Esty shop while I work a full-time job. So, and also this video about following on my weight loss journey and healthier, a little fashion, throw a little humor in there every now and again. So just if it's something you feel that you'll be interested in, please like, subscribe, and also share. So let's get into it. So as I was saying, I made some stickers for a painting that I did almost 9 years ago. So when I was first started doing my paintings, started around about 2013, I was very insecure about my painting, the way that it looked, so it took me several years to even try to put any of my work out there to be sold. One of my friends, she encouraged me to go ahead and, a lot of the paintings that I have, I was drawing a lot of the pictures on paper. She said, put it on canvas. So the first time I actually did a canvas painting was in 2013. I'll show you that painting in another video, my very first canvas painting, but it came out decent, I say. But this is the one that I'm going to be sharing with you today. This is the painting here. It's called Fruit of Life. Well, I literally named it Fruit of Life, then I changed the name to Charo. You see the glare because I do have it like a plastic over it so it can protect it when I do my craft fairs. But the name is Charo. So lady, like a little lady with fruit in her hair, one eye. I kind of like things that's, you know, just different, have to be just the basics. So that's whatever comes to mind. So this is my painting. It's called Charo. And I made this painting back in, I have the little card. Back in 2015, you see, first I named it Fruit of Life, and I changed it to Charo by Valerie Grimes, and I'm going to keep that for when I do my craft fairs. I don't want to put it on my Etsy shop, but then I did make stickers. I got some stickers made from Sticker Mule, so I'm going to go ahead and open those up. See, some matte stickers I got made for painting Charo. So let's see what it looks like. I had it maybe about 2 weeks, but I was waiting to open it up with you guys. Oh, you guys saw it before I did. Wow, that's pretty cool. It came out really nice. Check that out. Wow. Okay. Let's turn it around. Wow, looks just like the painting. I always get excited when I see my stickers in, you know, in proof, you know, just like my paintings. Look at that. Charo. Let me get the painting again. Where do I put it? Painting. Sticker. Charo. So I think the hair is a little brighter, but that's okay. I like that. It's really nice. She got the fruit in her hair. She have the watermelon, banana, orange, apple, and 3 different color grapes. I think that is so cool. One of my drawings I made from canvas to sticker. That's pretty cool. So I'll be having these on my Etsy shop by the time you will have this sticker on my Etsy shop by the time you see the video. And a few weeks ago, I think maybe a few months ago, I also had another painting that I did. I don't have the painting right here, but I do have the poster and the sticker that I'm going to be putting on my Etsy shop. You remember her, Sabrina. This is one of the paintings I did as well. It's Sabrina, lady with a little natural ball in her hair. On the side with the little cute little scarf, Sabrina. I'll be adding this poster to my Etsy shop, as well as the holographic stickers. It's kind of hard to see because the holographic so the holographic stickers. But I also insert below the video that I made about this sticker and the poster as well. So that's just a quick video showing some things that I have on my Etsy shop. I know I should have been promoting more way before, you know, the holiday Christmas season. So if you guys are interested in anything on my Etsy shop, everything is 25% off. And please like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. And I'll do my best to continue to upload videos every Mondays and Thursdays. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. I forgot to mention that my painting here, Charo, back in 2018, I went to this event called Festivals of Books at USC College, and I was submitted actually this painting for to be considered for a reward, but they did have it for a honorable mention, if I could talk right, and they had it in like the paper said at least mention it, you know, but it didn't win. It didn't come in the prize spots, but it did mention it. Like I said, that was a nice painting. So wish I would have kept the article, but I thought I'd just make mention of that. But we'll insert some few pictures of me being at the festival. So now I'm signing off. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.